Welcome to the class, students. Today we are continuing the 7th chapter, that is association of attributes. In this chapter, let us solve some more problems on this concept, that is Yule's coefficient. Take down the problems, students. Calculate Yule's coefficient of association between marriage and failure of students. So this is the data they have given: passed, failed. So this is total. Here it is married, unmarried, total. So this is the data actually they have given. For this we have to calculate the Yule's coefficient. By that we have to give the conclusion that whether the marriage and failure of the students will related or not. For this already we know that here they have given the passed and failed students, and married and unmarried. These two are the attributes actually, and the total. For this we have to find a Yule's coefficient. We know how to write the formula for Yule's coefficient. So Yule's coefficient formula I am writing. Before that, here again I will recall your format. It is A alpha, B beta, this is A into B, A alpha B, this is A into beta, alpha beta. Okay, this is AB, alpha B, A beta, alpha beta. So this is our general format, and here you will get the total n. Now to write the Yule's coefficient formula, we have to take the cross multiply of these two and cross multiply of these two. Okay, I will write that AB into alpha beta minus A beta alpha B. Here this is negative in the numerator, and same thing alpha beta positive A beta alpha B. Same thing will repeat for denominator also. In numerator the sign is negative, in denominator it is positive. Now you substitute the values. Here it is 90, 110 plus 260, 65 divided by, this is minus, 90, 110 plus 260 into 65. So after simplification of this, you will get 0.2611. This is your Yule's coefficient. Yule's coefficient is 0.2611. Now we have to write the comment. There exists positive association between two attributes. between two attributes. So there exists a positive association between the two attributes, that is marriage and the failure of students. Next question. Next one, calculate Yule's coefficient of association between the attributes. Between the attributes. Between the attributes. Okay, so this is the problem they have given. Smokers, non-smokers, tea drinkers, coffee drinkers. Next it is total. Here this is total. It is 43, 43, 33, 12, 45. It is 73, 15, 88. So this is the data they have given. This data will shows the smokers, tea drinkers and the coffee drinkers. Smokers, non-smokers, tea drinkers and the coffee drinkers. Coffee drinkers. Okay. We know the Yule's coefficient formula. Let me write that formula first. Yule's coefficient. That is AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha b divided by AB alpha beta minus plus A beta alpha b. So don't get confused between b and betas. Okay, while you are writing the formula, you should be very careful. Next, you have to substitute. It is 40 into 12 minus 3 into 33 divided by 40 into 12 plus 3 into 33. So, if you do the simplification for this, it is 381 by 579. So, Yule's coefficient is equal to 0.65803. Yule's coefficient 0.65803. So again there exists positive association between the attributes. Okay. Next. Here they have given n is equal to 500, alpha beta is equal to 280, A is equal to 160, B is equal to 200. Here they have given this data. For this, first we have to complete the table, then we go for the further calculation. Okay, let me complete this table. First is A alpha, B beta, and here it is the total, and here also it is total. So here total n they have given, it is 500, alpha beta, alpha into beta is this one, it is 280, next A, total of A, it is 160, next it is B, total B is equal to 200. This much they have given. First we have to complete this table, then we go for the further calculation. 500 minus 200, it is 300. 300 minus 280, it is 20. 160 minus 20, it is 140. 200 minus 140 is 60. If you add these two, it will be 340. Total, we have now we have completed this table. Now we should move on to our Yule's coefficient. Yule's coefficient is AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha B divided by AB alpha beta plus A beta alpha B. So this is the formula to find the Yule's coefficient. Now I am substituting the values. Okay, it is AB. AB is this, it is 140 into 280 minus 20 into 60 divided by 140 into 280 plus 20 into 60, and this is 38000 divided by 40,400. It is 0.9405. This is your Yule's coefficient, and that too it is positive. Again there exists positive association between the attributes. Okay, so next we will move on to the statement problems. Next one, we'll move on to statement problem. Next problem, compute Yule's coefficient of association. Compute Yule's coefficient of association. AB is 150, N 1000, A 200, B 300. Okay. For this, first we have to complete the table, then we have to move on to the Yule's coefficient. First total N they have given, it is 1000. Next A into B, it is 150. A, total of A, it is 200, and B, total of B is this one, it is 300. Now complete the table. 1000 minus 300, it is 700. 1000 minus 200, it is 800. 300 minus 150, it is 150. 800 minus 150 is 650. 700 minus 650 is equal to 50. Okay, so now we have completed the table. Next we will move on to Yule's coefficient. In each and every time you have to write the formula, so that when you are writing the examination, it will be easy. You will not forget the formula if you practice of writing this formula for every problem. Okay, now you have to substitute like this. We have to these two cross multiplication and these two cross multiplication. It is 150 into 650 minus 50 into 150 divided by 150 into 650 plus 50 into 150. Okay, so this is 90,000 divided by 1,05,000, and this is 0.85714. This is our Yule's coefficient. Yule's coefficient. For this also we should write the comment. Again, this is positive. There exists there exists positive association between the attributes. For your exam point of view, this topic is very, very important. Compute Yoole's coefficient of association. So, A beta is 70, n is equal to 250, A is equal to 100, B total is equal to 50. Okay. First, let us complete the table, then we will move for the calculation. Okay. A alpha, B beta, total. Here total n is equal to 250 and A into beta 70, A beta it is 70. Next n we have written, A is total of A, this total is equal to 100 and total B total is equal to 50. Here let us complete this unknown values. 250 minus 50 it is 200, 100 minus 70 it is 30, 50 minus 30 it is 20, 200 minus 70 it is 130, 220 plus 130 it is 150. Next, after completing this table, next we will move on to the Yoole's coefficient. First write down the formula. AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha B divided by AB alpha beta plus A beta alpha B. Okay. Next, after writing the formula, next we have to substitute the values. It is 30 into 130 minus 70 into 20 divided by 30 into 130 plus 70 into 20. Next, we have to go for the simplification. Divided by 5300, it is 0.4716. This is our Yoole's coefficient. This is our Yoole's coefficient. Again we should write the comment. There exists positive association between the attributes. Next one. N is equal to 2500, AB 400, alpha 2100, beta 900. First complete the table. Here they have given the total n, it is 2500. Next A into B, AB it is 400. Next alpha, total alpha it is 2100 and beta, total beta they have given, it is 900. Now complete the values. 2500 minus 2100 it is 400. 400, it is 0. Next 2500 minus 900, it is 1600. 1600 minus 400, 1200. 2100, 1200, this is 900. Okay. Now we have completed the table. Next we will move on to the Yoole's coefficient. Yoole's coefficient is equal to AB alpha beta minus A beta alpha B divided by AB alpha beta plus A beta alpha B. Now substitute the values. AB, it is 400 into 900 minus 0 into 1200 divided by 400 into 900 plus 0 into 1200. This will be 361234 divided by 3634. This 0 into anything, here numerator and denominator, this will become 0. So this is 1, the 2 positive 1. This is your Joule's coefficient. And here we have to write the comment. There exist perfect positive association between the attributes. So for your exam point of view, this is very important problem. You will get if they ask to complete the only they have asking for complete the table, that will be for 2 marks. If they ask to find the Joule's coefficient and the commit part, that will be 5 marks. And this is very important concept. In exam you will get this question compulsorily. Okay, thank you.